If you are not allowed to buy Tessen, you have to buy it. I didn't expect that this Cat Tucson can run 470,000 kilometers. How do you ask other New Year cars to sell it? Is this car we have driven 470,000 kilometers for a few years? I bought the new car at around 3 o'clock at 2 o'clock. How much did it cost when I bought it? 2,499. How much is 425 for a school year? Now it is 393. How much can you get if you are not handsome? Yes, there are very few handsome girls. So how do you practice again on a daily basis? People say that you can't charge the battery to full capacity in the shelf. People say that it can't be fully charged. But I charge it to full capacity every day. I usually have more than 10 kilometers left, and sometimes it reaches 0.
Is that right? It's okay to charge until you're full enough to jump out of the gun. That's right.
I think it's a little better. So what kind of maintenance did you do on your car? Get the oil, and the tires? It's not that. They officially say it's not that. Isn't this motor oil and gear oil Zhongshenghuazi oil? It doesn't need to be replaced. Zhongshenghuo is okay, but you will have to spend money to change it in the future. The mechanical things must be worn and lubricated. Is it new or has it been changed somewhere? If it is replaced, it is just a simple bottom pot button. The bottom pot button rings. Otherwise, if there is no task change, there will be no problem. The heat pump has not been replaced, and the main engine has not been replaced either, so I'm planning to drive it for a few more years and prepare to drive it for another 30 years. I will work it to 1,000,000 kilometers. This is very awesome. I have to do 100 things. It is estimated that it will be done nationwide. In the first case, you took an online ride-hailing ride, right? There's no problem. The car has been driving very well. I bought it for 470,249,250,000, and eBay already seen it.
Overall, how much does it cost to maintain Wuhui No 1?
It may be estimated that it is less than 10,000 yuan. Less than 10,000 yuan, right?
Wow, look how much the oil truck is packed with for 10,000 yuan. The tires are also very cheap and they are all made in China. It's only a dozen yuan and it's worth tens of thousands of people. But no one dares to buy it.
What are you afraid of about a sports car? Maintenance is expensive. Everyone knows that earning 10,000 yuan a month is not enough to repair the car. I will definitely buy a Tesla next time I change my car.